one of the things that we can all do to really promote a healthy gut-brain axis, and also promote a healthy immune system and inflammatory response is by keeping a healthy, diverse microbiome. When the gut microbiota is not diverse enough, it's called dysbiosis. That is not good. So how do you do that? Well, the new study published in the journal Cell, one of the 3 apex journals, a very high stringency cell press journal. This study was done by Sonnenberg and coworkers at Stanford School of Medicine, and they compared 2 kinds of diets that include a lot of fiber, or diets that include several servings of fermented foods each day. Things like kimchi, things like sauerkraut, things like kombucha, things like fermented cottage cheese and things of that sort. Natto, for those of you that know what natto is, that's a Japanese fermented food. And fermented foods actually promoted a quite diverse gut microbiota, reduced inflammation markers to a significant degree, and increased a lot of anti-inflammatory cytokines and things related to it. So the conclusion of this study was that fermented food should be consumed on a regular basis, several servings per day. And this was a really nice study. Again, it was done in humans, hundreds of humans. They had a baseline, then they ramped up the number of fermented foods ingested or the amount of fiber ingested, and then they also went back down to baseline. So there's really kind of before, during, and after type effects were shown in this study. So what's the takeaway message? We should all be ingesting fermented foods on a regular basis, several servings per day. That'll give us a healthy gut microbiome, prevent leaky gut. Probably isn't the only way that leaky gut should be prevented. It's not the only. You don't just get leaky gut from poor gut microbiota. There are other sources as well, but to ward off leaky gut, you want to ingest fermented foods and keep a diverse gut microbiome for proper signaling of these neurons to the dopamine centers in the brain for mood, motivated behaviors, etc. You also want to keep your gut healthy, and all of that is supported by keeping the gut somewhat acidic.